Metrobank send money to Landbank. How to transfer funds from Metrobank to Landbank via mobile app online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So gamit ko ngayon yung cellphone ko and na-install ko na rin yung Metrobank na app. Kung hindi mo pa ito na-install sa cellphone mo, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. So I'll tap this. Then I'll log in with my username and password. By the way, kung wala ka pang online account with Metrobank, gumawa kami ng video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. And click login. So ito na yung online account ko with Metrobank and currently yung balance ko is 4,000 pesos. And magka-transfer ako ng pera sa Landbank. So to do that, dito sa bandang taas may 3 lines. I'll tap this and tap transfer to other bank. And you have 2 options para malipat yung pera, either through InstaPay or PesoNet. Ang kaibahan ng dalawa is yung limit ng pag-transfer. For InstaPay, up to 50,000 pesos yung pwede mong i-transfer, while for PesoNet, up to 200,000 yung pwede mong i-transfer in a day. Another difference is sa PesoNet, hindi siya real-time mag-transfer. It may take few hours to 1 day or so para mag-reflect yung perang pinasa mo sa kabilang account. While for InstaPay, real-time siya. Ibig sabihin, dapat mag-reflect agad yung pera dun sa kabilang account na pinagpasahan mo. And since gusto ko ng real-time na transfer and also hindi rin ganun kalaki yung amount na transfer ko, I'll choose InstaPay. And by the way, before I proceed, nakalagay dito na zero fee yung transaction. Ibig sabihin, libre yung pag-transfer ng pera from Metrobank to other bank. But normally, may charge talaga yung pag-transfer. So, I'll tap InstaPay. And kung mapapansin nyo, may list of banks na naka-enroll dito is West Bank, BDO, and BPI. Nakapag-transfer na ako ng pera in the past in this accounts and sinave ko siya as beneficiary. So later on, yung Landbank account na pagkapasahan ko, isave ko rin siya as beneficiary and mag-reflect din siya sa list na to. So since first time ko magpasa sa Landbank account, I'll tap this one-time transfer and select the bank. I'll choose Landbank. Hanapin ko lang siya dito. Oops. Here. And then for account number, I'll enter here the Landbank account number na pagpapasahan ko ng pera. And for beneficiary, I'll have it individual. For other details here, like for the name and address, ilalagay ko dito yung info about sa recipient or yung makaka-receive ng pera. So ilalagay ko dito yung information about the owner ng bank account. And for email address, pwede ko itong palitan to mobile number. So I'll tap this use mobile instead. And ilalagay ko dito yung phone number ng makaka-receive. And ito yung sinasabi kong option kanina, pwede kong i-save siya as beneficiary. So, nakasave na to sa list ng bank accounts na pwede kong pag-transfer ng pera. So, I'll tap next. And here's my account. So, I'll tap here. And enter the amount you wish to transfer. So, I want 500 pesos. Again, it's zero fee. Pero normally, may charge talaga yung pag-transfer from Metrobank to other bank via InstaPay. So, I'll tap next. And please ensure if this information is correct. So, tama naman. And also, pwede ka rin maglagay ng message to recipient dito sa remarks section. Pero sa akin, I'll leave it blank and I'll tap submit. And ilagay ko lang dito yung OTP na na-receive ko sa phone. And click submit. And here's the transfer result. Transaction is in progress. And may reference number din dito. Reminder lang, whenever you're doing transaction online, isave nyo lagi yung reference number. It will serve as proof na ginawa nyo nga yung transaction. And just in case magkaroon ng issue, pwede kayo mag-report sa Metrobank using this reference number. So I'll tap OK. And naka-receive na rin ako ng mga messages about this transfer. And also, nabawasan na rin yung account ko sa Metrobank. Naging 3,500 na lang siya. So, i-check ko ulit yung accounts ko. So, I'll tap this 3 lines and click transfer to other bank. And I'll choose for now InstaPay. Dito, ipapakita ko lang na na-save na talaga yung Landbank na in-enroll ko kanina dito. So, ito siya. Sinave ko siya as beneficiary kanina. So ngayon naman, i-check ko yung Landbank Online account ko. Actually, kanina ko pa ito na-open. It's currently 2,600. I-refresh ko to and nadagdagan na nga ng pera. It's now 3,100 because of the transfer I made from Metrobank. And that's it. If you can think of other videos na pwede naming ituro online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And kung sa tingin nyo nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo, please click the like button. Also, may iba pa kaming videos about online money transfer, and in case you're interested, pwede ka ring mag-invest sa maliit na halaga. And may mga videos din kami about that. And this is Lu from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!